Hi guys, welcome back to another tech video from Bezalel of Tech. I'm going to be showing you some amazing steps which you are going to be doing right now to reduce data usage on your PC. So have you been using your PC and you've been noticing that it's exhausting data faster? So right now, stay tuned and watch this video. So the first thing which you are going to be doing right now is to come to your search section here. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to search service. So you've seen that. So I'm going to search for service and I'm going to run it as an administrator. So right now I'm running it as administrator. The next step which I'm going to look for right now is to come to background intelligent transfer. I'm going to come to background intelligent transfer. So if you look at this option, it's lined alphabetically. So after AVCTP service, we have the background intelligent transfer below. So I'm going to come to the background intelligent transfer and double click. So you've seen that. Right now I've set mine already because I ensure that I set my system not to consume a lot of data. So right now I've done this. So it's now me to show you how to do this for yourself. So right now you come to this place, this startup type. So you can see yours might be set to automatic manual. Majorly, that's what I noticed. I always say to it's automatic in manual. So right now you're going to set it to disable. After setting to disable, you click apply, then you click OK. So you click apply, then you click what? OK. So after that, that's the first step which you are going to do, which is also going to reduce data usage on your PC. So the second step which you are going to be looking at right now is to come back to the search icon, and we are going to be searching for Reddit. So you're going to see we are going to be opening the registry editor, which is the same thing as Reddit. So right now I'm going to search here. So I'm going to write Red. So you've seen it, it's open already. So I'm going to open it. So you can see opening. Can you see that it says open? So let me cancel this. It's opening twice. So I've cancelled that. Right now you've seen it, it's open already. So if you look at my PC, look at this particular place. I've opened it already, so the thing is still open already. So right now there are 3 H keys. Whenever, so I'm scrolling up to let you understand this. Because you might open yours and it might not look like this. So I'm going to start from main process, which you are going to follow and you are going to see. So right now you see the computer, we have 3 H key. We have the H key classes root, we have the H key current users, and we also have the H key local machine. So the H key local machine, you can see that. You can see the H key local machine. So under the H key local machine right now, we are now going to look for the system. So look at system right here, this system. So you look at system, you open the H key local machine. If I close the H key local machine, can you see? So you open the H key local machine, look at system, can you see? So after system, the next step which you are going to do is the current control set. So I'm going to come to the current control set. So you can see the current control set. Can you see that? So after the current control set, I'm going to look for service. So this is the service under current control set. Can you see that? That's service. So after service, I'm going to look for door set. So that door set is under this service. So I'm going to scroll down. So you see, got into B. So I'm looking for the door set. So DS SVC. Yes. So you've seen that, and I'm going to come to start. So end value here, you are going to change it to 4. So you change this to 4, and after changing that to 4, you come to this place to come to start. Change your value here to 4. So after changing those values to 4, you can restart your PC. So you can restart your PC after changing that to 4. So after restarting your PC, you are going to see that your data consumption is going to be reduced. So the next step which you are going to be looking at, which is also very essential, is to go to the Microsoft App Store. So you can see the Microsoft App Store below here. So I'm going to open the Microsoft App Store right away. So I'm going to open it right away. And I'm going to come to these 3 icons here, the see more icon, and I'm going to come to settings. So under settings right now, I'm going to off every update here. So the first update which you are going to see is app update. So you are going to off every automatic application update which you know that is going to consume much data. So right now I'm going to be offering this, which is off already. So you see you off that on your PC, then you off the live tile, also you off the video autoplay, you off every update here. So you off everything. So I recommend you off everything here. So you've seen that, which is also going to reduce the data consumption. So the next step which I'm going to allow you to see right now is one of the best steps which I noticed that it consumes data often. So right away I'm going to come to settings. So under settings, let me come to application. So I'm going to search for background apps. So you've seen that. So look at, I automatically off almost every application that I feel are not necessary to run in the background. So right now you see I have the 3D viewer, I have the Adobe XD, I have the alarm and clock. The only application which I left on was the settings. So you can see the settings on. Every other application that I installed on my PC, they are all what's off. So you can see that. So every application which I know I'm not using frequently, they are all what's off. So right now, the next step which you are going to be looking right now is Windows Update. So Windows Update is one particular service that run on the PC that consume a lot of data. So right now, I'm going to come here. I'm going to search for Windows Update. So find a setting. So I'll come here. Let me go back. Search. Go back, come back here, come to settings, so come to apps, I'm going to search for Windows. Okay, can you see that advanced window update option? So I'm opening that already. So after opening that, I'm going to come to the Windows update. Can you see? Then you come to advanced options. They are going to off every update here. So everything here you can see is off already on my PC. So while you do this, you notice that it also reduces your system. So after completing this process, which I've explained, you are going to restart your PC and connect again to your network. So the last step, which is one of the last best steps, which I recommend also, which you are going to use to reduce data usage right now, is to come to this particular place. So you come here, you right click and you open network and internet settings. So under network and internet settings, we are going to come to Wi-Fi. So under Wi-Fi, you are going to click on the network which you are connected to, and you're going to set it as what metered connection. So you can see that set what as metered connection. You can see mine is on automatically. So the network I'm using right now, I've already set it and done the settings, which is going to reduce what data usage. So another thing which you can do also is to also set the data limit. If you are interested in doing that, you can set that. You understand? You can set that too for yourself. But this is the last step that I'm going to be showing you for today. Any other update, I'm going to be updating it and showing you more ways which you can use to reduce data usage. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like and share to anyone who is in need, who is experiencing problem while connecting to their data, which is experiencing much consumption. So share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to be updating you with more amazing content. Bye.